Are you excited to swim? Because you like swimming. Swimming. You like swimming, right? You love the water, like Papa.
Bitawan na kita. 1, 2, 3. Galit tatay mo sa akin. Ay,
Tingnan mo naman yung ginawa niya, oh.
okay lang yan.
Buang.
O dun. O 1. Ay! Mga kabady.
Buang talaga. Chinese New Year shoot kami as a family. Simple shoot lang. Ang ganda ng view. Pero ang pinaka-cute na view, ikaw. Because I love you. Andyan na Uncle Doc. Surprise mo, Uncle Doc.
Uy, parang hindi ka happy. Nasad siya. Ala, hindi niya na ako kilala. Paano na?
May amoy daw.
Ayaw na. Wala yung sa akin.